At the outset, I'm really happy and excited to be part of this event being organized by the Overseas Alumni Association. It's a great honor for me to be interacting with people across the globe, and my sincere thanks to Padmaja Didi and team for coordinating this. My name is Apurva Masuk. I'm 23 years old. I joined VSSUT back in 2015 in the founding batch of the dual degree program. I graduated in 2020 with a BTech in Civil Engineering and MTech in Structural Engineering. Post that, I have been working with Tresvista Financial Services. Prior to that, as an intern, I have worked with ISRO, Ernst& Young, OnePlus, Reliance Power in a variety of different roles. I'm also an innovation and entrepreneurship graduate from MIT. Apart from that, I love to travel and I have been to 14 countries till date. Coming back to our alma mater, it was 2016, the Diamond Jubilee year of UC. The preparations for the Global Alumni Meet were underway, and it was the time when firsthand I got to know about UC's glorious legacy and the thousands of illustrious alumni it has produced. It was truly awe inspiring for me. In fact, it continues to inspire me every single day. And soon I found some like minded friends and seniors like Bodhi Bhai, Anil Bhai, who were driven by passion for innovation. A lot of people have asked me, why did you get into rockets and satellites? Why not something else? And honestly, even I don't know the actual answer to that. It was something that we found to be as challenging as it was fascinating. There were a lot of other clubs in the college, such as robotics club, automobile SAE clubs, coding club, etc. But 17 or 18 is not the age when you know what you're doing or what skill sets you're supposed to build. So aerospace kind of resonated to us in a way because it's a one-stop shop for diverse learning experience, mechanical, structural, electronics, propulsion, materials, even coding. Hence, we started a satellite club and an innovation club led by Bodhi Bhai as the founding secretary. Initially, as we pitched our idea to several faculty and various stakeholders, we were disregarded for being preposterous. It was the alumni who put faith in us and supported us. After dozens of failures, we successfully test-fired our first rocket, VSLV VSSUT satellite launch vehicle, on 22nd August 2017. We went on to win the Asia's first inter-college rocket competition and were subsequently felicitated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha. I and Bodhi Bhai were selected to represent India at World Youth Festival Russia. Our interaction gradually continued to grow and strengthen with the alumni, and a lot of support started pouring in. Meanwhile, I also served as the secretary of Samavesh, VSSUT's annual Tech Fest. In Q1 2018, we did two more successful missions and registered ourselves in the Limca Book of Records for being the first and only student body in India to have indigenously developed and launched rockets. In the summer of 2018, 11 members of our team carried out project work and research internship at ISRO Ahmedabad. This practical experience helped us launch two more successful missions in Q4 2018. In 2019, we were invited to the Department of Space headquarters in Bangalore for presenting our work to a high-level ISRO team. VSLV gave us a plethora of opportunities to travel the world, to speak at national and international forums, and the zeal to innovate incessantly across domains. Our teams continue to participate, compete, and emerge as winners in prestigious innovation challenges and hackathons, bringing dozens of laurels to the university. VSLV gave us the privilege to network with numerous dignitaries and collaborate with several industries. In January 2020 last year, we were invited to the Prime Minister's office and were appreciated by the Honorable Minister of Space and the Honorable Minister of Education. Consequently, in August 2020, ISRO signed a MOU with VSSUT establishing a first of its kind exclusive innovation and incubation center. As I graduated, it was very riveting for me to see the fruition of our efforts, something that we started entirely from scratch from our hostel backyards, converting a dream into reality. Today, with an in-house business incubator, innovation center, ISRO center, and an e-learning center, VSSUT boasts of a robust ecosystem to promote innovation and entrepreneurship. And we as young alumni are proud to have played a small role in this. We are thankful and grateful to all the alumni who have supported us throughout this journey directly or indirectly. And I truly believe that with the full force of the association, both overseas and domestic, a lot more can be accomplished.
In the remote village on Mahanadi Delta in eastern India, a unique experiment is underway. It began when Anil Pradhan and Vaishali Sharma finished their bachelor's degree in engineering from VSSUT Borla. At the time they could have taken a high-paying corporate job, but instead they moved back to the village and opened the new kind of school called Navanmesh Praiser Foundation. Anil and Vaishali's vision is to create a model that will transform the way Indian children learn. Unlike traditional Indian education, Their curriculum includes classes that runs wealthy on books. In one session, children may dismantle old appliances and learn how it works. Then they create sculptures, models, and other projects out of the pieces. They weld, solder, and 3D print, all in the service of science and understanding. And all ages are encouraged to explore. It's a big idea with the power to transform not just young minds, but an entire way of thinking about school. And yet while Anil and Vaishali were succeeding with their initiative and other hands-on curriculum, they were struggling to bring hands-on learning to students due to the pandemic. Finding a solution and thinking out of the box as usual, they developed an online academy named Young Tinker Academy to teach hands-on learning to students anywhere, anytime. Their academy made India proud by winning World Rank 3 at NASA Human Exploration Rover Challenge 2021. The Under-19 team were the first in Asia to achieve this feat in this annual event by NASA. This 10-membered students team manufactured a rover capable of traversing in tough terrains. Anil and Vaishali impacted lives to more than 150,000 students through all their initiatives. Now, students not only from India but students from US, Australia and Europe are joining their online academy. Big ideas are changing the future in India and around the world. And another big idea is bringing world-class hands-on learning where it is needed the most.
This is the story of two youngsters born and raised in the rural Odisha. Bodhi and Om joined Burla in the same batch and also in the same branch. The charismatic place molded them into innovators and they graduated as fiery entrepreneurs. After getting into Burla, the duo realized engineering is not just about labs, viva, assignments but more about making, tinkering and innovating. Together they explored and inspected the robotics club, automobile and all the other university clubs present. Eventually, with dedication and leadership, Bodhi rose to the position of Secretary of the Innovation Cell and Om emerged as the Secretary of the Entrepreneurship Cell. With blessings from Alumni Association and faculties and with a wonderful team of friends and juniors, these two clubs attained new heights and many laurels under their admirable leadership and direction. Their love for Burla is unanimous. To do something massive and offer their earnest tribute to university, the duo with along their seniors and fellow juniors steered the team VSLV VSSUT satellite and rocketry team. With support and patronage from Alumni Association, Team VSLV become one of the most successful students-driven initiatives nationwide and brought immense recognition from national and international agencies. Year passed on, and the two innovative minds couldn't cage themselves to 9-to-5 jobs and placements. With the years of experience and expertise in innovation and entrepreneurship, they started IG Drones while in college and grabbed the first 2 orders from Aditya Birla and Reliance even before graduating. The journey of IG Drones started from Idea Lab in Burla and currently the company is headquartered at New Delhi with 7 regional offices across India. IG Drones is currently working in 10 different engineering verticals to cater drone-based AI or ML-powered solutions to industries for better decision-making. Within a span of 3 years, the team size increased from 2 members to 65 members. From 2 projects in 2018 to 250 plus projects in 2022 with a prestigious client base, which includes Government of India, 5 different state governments, leading PSU, Adani, Aditya Birla, JSW, Reliance, etc. Being the leader in the drone industry, the team soon realized the gap between the industry and academia. This led to the rise of IG Drones Center of Excellence, initiated with a vision of upskilling 1 million youths of India. IG Drones is setting up 100+ Center of Excellences across India to fulfill this ambitious dream. Many apex bodies of skilling sector like Skill India, FICCI, ESSCI, OSDA, JK Group etc. joined hands with IG Drones to make this a reality and make India the next drone capital of world. IG Drones is currently valued at $15 million and is eyeing to expand its operations in North America and Europe by end of next year. Thank you.